No, it's saying that meeting got ended. I'm not sure.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
these are the examples. If you go for the hello,
Map. Yeah. I can hear you.
these
Hello.
are the best examples. If you go to any like industry or something else where we can. Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Tell me. Hello,
Yeah. All good.
Uma, are you able to hear me?
Yeah. I'm able to hear you.
Okay, okay. See, these are the examples where we can. Okay, okay, no issue, no issue. Okay, these are the examples we are able to understand while going to the real time. The same way, if you go to any classroom, let's say for example, I went to one school and there is one seventh class room. I went inside that. Okay, if I go and check the register, what will happen? If any, if I want to take a attendance, so instead of calling the name, I'll call the roll number 1, 2,
Mm.
3, 4, 5 like that. They'll say yes, present, yes, say present like that. They'll tell.
Mm.
Means what the representation of here? Instead of calling their name, I'm calling their roll number. Getting my point? Means
Yeah.
the roll number is tightly associated with the like a name. Here, roll number is the key and the value will be the name or the person. Okay, that is what we are expecting the map. Whenever we want to store a values with a key value page, okay, then
Mm.
we'll have to go for the map. Any questions here?
No. Clear.
Clear, right?
Mm.
Now let me go ahead and do that. Class map example. Okay, map example. I'm giving as the like a public void. Now, if we go and check that, now, is there any way what we need to print? Now, see, for the map, almost all we are going to be use only generics. As of now, there is no without generic concept. Okay,
Mm.
once we learn generics, now only
Mm.
generics point of view we are. See here, map java.util. Though it is not
Mm.
directly getting the values from the collection, or directly it's not implement or inheriting from the collection, but it is the same package under java.util package. Any question
Mm.
here?
No. No.
No,
Okay.
right?
Mm.
Now
So.
if you go ahead and check the map,
Mm.
here it is asking
K, comma,
kv,
B.
means k in the sense key,
Mm.
v in the sense value.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, if you go ahead and check that, the map also one of the like interface, not the class.
Okay.
That we need to understand.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
And here inside this map, let's say for example, I'm putting as the integer as the key roll number. Okay, value
Mm.
as the string. Getting my point? Here there is not required to put all integer and integer. String integer we can put,
Okay.
integer we can put. Both are strings possible. Both are some other thing. Anything we can use. But before moving to the actual programming, we need to understand what is key and what is value.
Mm.
Okay, when to
Mm.
use key, when to use value, what kind of values we are storing, what kind of integer, what kind of like a key we are storing, that we need to understand. Let's say for example, I'm putting as the map equal to new. See here again one more thing what we need to observe. Okay, the map is the collection. Inside the collection, map is one more how can I say like a interface. So interface always it doesn't support the object creation. This is what we
Mm.
already discussed. Remember that.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah.
Now under this map there is some classes are there. Hash map and hash table is there.
Mm.
A navigable map is there. Hash map under hash table and navigable map. But hash map only we are going to learn. Hash table is a legacy, it's already over. Getting my point? Hence, I'm not using the hash map. Sorry, and hash table. Hash table is too old. Now it's a legacy. Now, new hash map I'm putting.
Okay.
New hash map. Here, there is no error is came. But always better to go for give the key on the left side and right side with the same values. If you are changing something, it will be a problem for you. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, let me add it. Map.c earlier in the list are said there is a concept called adding or removing or checking. Getting my point? Now, here there is no concept called add. Here we are using the put method. Getting my point? See, here what it is saying, integer key, value is string. Get my point?
Yes, yes.
The first point. Okay. Now what is the key? 1 I'm putting. What is the value here? Something I'm putting. Getting my point? Map dot again put dot map dot put. We go for again third. Then the value will be like getting my point. Map dot put number 2 or number 3. Here there is a problem. I will tell you.
Same 3 can we repeat here?
Now let me print it. Yeah. Let me print it. Okay. I'll tell you the problem. System dot out dot println. I'm printing just a map. Let me see what is the problem we are getting. You're observing something now?
Yeah, 1 equal to 1.
Always what we need to think, always whatever the let me explain. Yes. There is a problem, right? Means whenever you are putting some value, okay, we need to observe that values may be duplicate. That is not the problem, but keys always should be unique. Getting my point?
Okay.
Always key should be unique. Then only it will be insert. If you give the duplicate values for the keys, if you give the duplicate keys, what will happen? It won't allow the duplicates. Okay, but it won't throw any error message. But if you go and check the reading the values, it won't insert. That's why it's not reading the value. Means it will again truncating.
Hello, I'm not able to hear.
Means if you are giving the duplicate keys, the value is different. That it won't bother about that. But if you give the duplicate key, it won't allow to insert. It will truncate the value. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Now it's fine. Now it's fine, right?
Yeah, now it is. Now it's okay. It's okay. Earlier
now,
lagging.
Okay. Now, if you observe that, now, hello.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
See, here we are giving as the like three is the key, another 3 is the key. Hence, what happens is if you are going with like this, okay, what happens is automatically when you are going with these things, okay, when you are going with these things, what will happen? You might have faced some issue that duplicate values won't be allowed. Though the value is different, but it doesn't care. Only it will check only the key value. If I go for to change something like that, okay, if I uniquely, then I can go ahead and check that all three values will come. Hope this is clear.
Yeah. Mm.
Hello.
Yes, yes, I can.
Now this is clear, right?
Mm.
Okay. Now if there is some methods called, okay, on top of that, if you want to add, you can put it. If you want to remove an item, okay, if you want to remove an item, for example, remove, okay, map dot remove. See here, either you can remove by using key, or you can put a key as well
Both.
as the value.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes,
Let's say, for
yes.
example, I'm removing the first key. Okay, what is that? Key
Mm.
value I'm removing. Finally, while getting the value, only second and third values is there. Why in the sense it's not coming? We inserted, again we removed.
Mm.
Getting my point? There, if you go for to remove the same thing in array list, there is one concept called either you can give the object or index to remove it.
Mm.
But
Mm.
if you
Yeah.
go for set, it will allow only the value what we need to give, the object.
Mm.
Okay,
Yes.
but if you go to the same for the map, either you can give the key value paid or you can
Both.
give the
Mm.
key alone.
Mm.
Automatically it will remove.
Mm.
Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now the same way, if I go for the clear, it will remove everything. Map dot clear. It will remove everything.
All values.
Yeah,
Okay.
nothing. Some empty set is coming.
Mm.
Getting my point?
Yes.
That is how we need to understand. Means remove in the sense it's a single object. Clear in the sense it will be like complete. It will remove everything. Hope this is clear.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but it is too lagging.
Hello. I found there is some gap to listen.
Yeah.
Okay. No issue. Now just I'm removing these two because these two are for name shaking. We are left.
Mm.
Okay. Now here, see there is a problem. Now here I want to print somewhere. Two can print. Okay. Either two values we can print. How we can print? Only the values we can print. Getting my point? Or only key values we can print, or both we can print. Getting my point?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
many ways? Only
Only
keys I
value.
can print, only value I can print,
Both.
anything I can print. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Let me put one for each. Let me put one for each. Here for each. Now if you go for earlier thing, that is different. Now for map and all it is different.
Oh,
For
yes.
map and all, what we need to understand here, map dot, okay, entry we need to understand. Entry key, but what type of key it is? Integer is the key. Getting my point? Here bit confusion, just listen carefully. Okay, integer, a value should be like a string. Okay, it's a like a string, then space dot entry set colon, I'm mentioning as the m colon map dot entry set, map dot entry set. If you understand this line, it will be very good. Now see, earlier to use that what we are doing here object. Let me give for each, like that it will go earlier.
Yes.
Earlier, how it will come like this. Now, if you observe that, here sometime object will come, string will come, that is different. But if you observe here, before colon, there is something. Whatever the value we are giving, let me go ahead and see. After colon, it's not there, right? Let me open here. See, here after colon, whatever the collection we are having, we are putting that. Getting my point?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello?
Hello. Are you able to hear me?
No, your voice is muffled. I'm not able to hear you. Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay.
See here, whatever the value we are going to be give, the tree or map or set something we are giving. But here we need to give the entry set. That we need to understand. What do you mean by entry set and why it is calling as this? Is nothing but here row by row it's entering one key value page and one value. This called is a one entry. The same thing here, one key and one value we are calling as the one more entry. So all are calling as the, I mean, if you are going for that is the entry set. All are we are entering into a set, hence we are calling as the entry set. Getting my point?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, now after colon, after colon, what we need to put it? Entry set. Okay, means one value, one row is nothing but one key value pair. What we are discussing, it's a entry. Like that, number of entry sets, number of entries are there. So the hence we are calling as the like a entry set. Once we have entry set that we are storing in the M, then what we can do that system.out.println m dot keys or m dot values or m dot get key we can use, or m dot key, m dot get key. Okay, plus there is some gap if required, or plus m dot get value. Now I want to understand, I don't want to put you directly here. System dot out dot println, sorry, system dot out dot println, I want to print only keys now. What I'll do, m dot get key, sorry, get m dot get key, only keys I can print now. You're getting my point, right? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Now if I want to print m dot like get values, what it will do, only values I can read it.
But
If you
the values, the printing order
observe
is coming
that,
in different way.
now let me comment it, only values will come.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Hello? See
Yeah.
here, these are the two things. One thing, I am able to get only keys. The second thing, I am able to get the only values. If I
Yes.
want to print side by side value as well as this like a key, I'll go with this. The same like hello.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll see the order. No, order we'll discuss. Okay. As of now, whether
I'm not
we
able
are
to hear.
able to get.
Sorry, Subbu. I'm not able to hear. Hello?
All the keys, all the values are not.
Subbugaru, I'm
Where
not able to hear. Hello? Hello?
able to get.
Hello, Subbugaru, I'm not able to
And
hear.
if you observe here, we are
Hello? I'm not able to hear anything.
everything is good.
Hello? I'm not able to hear anything.
Okay, now it's fine, right? Harsha, is there any problem with your side? I'm not sure.
My side is problem. Hello, sir.
Okay. See, Uma, just very one simple, whether we need to go for the, hello.
Yeah.
See, whether we need to go for the key or whether we need to go for value, that is our choice. But
Okay.
if you want to both, here the key and value. But while leading the key value pair, it is saying only it will by default it will sort in the order by using the keys, not the values. Getting my point?
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. By default, it will sort as the keys, not the value.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, if you want to print both, you can print like this. If you want to print only the key, we can print it like this. If you want to print only values, you can print like this. And the most important thing is entry set. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Now you have to, whenever you are trying to print any value from the map, you have to be very important. You have to be keep in mind that saying that this is the thing. This map dot entry set is the makes the matter.
Okay.
And map dot entry here, what we need to put here, map dot entry and map dot entry set we are using, and map m is the variable. From that variable all the entry set will come and store. From there we need to reading the get key and get values. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Okay, now till now we covered completely about okay, the whole idea about the maps and everything. Collection is over today. But there are some interview questions will come. Then we'll teach you at the end. Okay. How the things will come like that. I'll give some of the examples, and some of the examples if you write it anything, if you go and check that Google, it will give the developer perspective. But whatever the points you are able to understand, can keep in
Hello.
mind.
I'm not able to hear. Subbugaru, I'm not able to hear anything.
For example, map, what is the difference between hash table and hash map, like that it will give. Okay. The same interviewer also asked, but they don't know anything. Simply they will ask whether you are able to answer, like the same issue. Okay? What you need to understand, all the information.
Hello, Subbugaru, I'm not able to hear anything.
My God. Hello.
Yeah, I'm not able to hear.
Oh my God. I'm able to hear. I'm not sure I'm able to hear you properly. I'm not sure. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, we'll discuss by Monday. I mean, not sure what happened. And there is some network gaps is there today.
Yeah.
No, no. Your voice is fully muffled. I'm not able to hear you properly. What I will do, we'll continue in the next class. I'll explain more on this, okay? Because it's killing us
Okay.
time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's fine, right? It's
Yeah.
fine, right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll be back
Bye.
on Monday, okay?
Yeah. Sure.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank
Happy
you.
New Year.
You too.
Okay.
క్లియర్గా మాట్లాడు. 5 day week, Monday to Friday, daily 1 to 1.5 hours. అది ఎవరిది క్లోజింగ్? అదే నువ్వే క్లోజ్ చేసి ఇన్సెంటివ్ కావాలి కదా. వద్దంటే చెప్పు, నేను నేర్చుకుంటా. హర్ష నేను నేర్చుకుంటాం ఇద్దరం. మేమే స్టూడెంట్స్ తో మాట్లాడి మేమే డీల్ చేసుకుంటాం. మేమే ఇన్సెంటివ్ చేసుకుంటాం.
చెప్తే కదా
నేను చెప్తున్నా అదే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ వచ్చింది అనుకో చెప్పు. 1 to 1.5 hours డైలీ ఉంటుంది. 2 hours దాకా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అవుతుంది డైలీ, మండే టు ఫ్రైడే. చెప్పు సపోజ్
Monday to Friday, daily 1 to 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours to
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours to 2 ఉంటుంది చెప్పు. 5 day week సాటర్డే ఉంటుందని చెప్పు. ఇన్ రేర్ కేసెస్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ తో ఒక సాటర్డే కనెక్ట్ చేపిస్తాం
Okay.
అని చెప్పు. ఓకేనా?
In rare case, if you have urgent,
urgent task deliverable, in that case we will arrange one Saturday. మాట్లాడాలి.
ఫైనల్ వాటర్ ఓకే అయిన తర్వాత
ట్రైనర్ ప్లస్ క్యాండిడేట్ తో రాని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ రాని ట్రైనర్ తో మాట్లాడచ్చు. సార్ అడిగితే చెప్పు, సార్ ఇలా మాట్లాడాను అని చెప్పు. ఓకేనా? లేకపోతే రాహుల్ ఇలా మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నా
లేదు నిన్న మాట్లాడేదాన్ని
సార్ నేను ఇలా మాట్లాడాను క్యాండిడేట్ తోని 5 days
బైక్
అంటున్నావు. రాకపోతే నేను అసలు ఇలాంటి చాలా డీల్ చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడకపోతే ఏంటి ఇన్సెంటివ్ నువ్వు నేను తీసుకున్నాము. మరి ఎందుకు చెప్పాల్సి ఇన్సెంటివ్ తీసుకుంటుంటే క్యాండిడేట్ తో మాట్లాడలేకపోయావు అనుకో,
నేనే మాట్లాడి నారాయణ సార్ చెప్తా సార్ నేనే మాట్లాడాను నేను మంచిగా చెప్పాను ఎలా మాట్లాడాలి సరే మాట్లాడని బట్టి మాట్లాడు అన్నట్టు వస్తున్నా